The hot water is provided by an immersion and also a time clock which will switch the hot water on and off. It is set to come on between 5 AM and 7 AM Monday to Sunday. This should be enough hot water for your daily shower and to wash up. However, should you require more hot water, you can use the boost function on the time clock, which is located in the utility cupboard. To switch on the booster, you will press the boost button on the right hand side. It will say off. That is the standard setting. To use the booster, if you press the boost button once, it will say boost 1, and then boost 2 is a longer setting. Boost 1 should give you hot water by heating up for 1 hour, and boost 2 should give you hot water by heating up for 2 hours. This should give you enough hot water to have further showers and to wash up. To switch it off, press the boost button once more and it will display off.